everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out the H1 Neon drone. It's for ages 14 and older. So let's go ahead, unbox this and show you guys what you get. And then we're gonna also test it out, flight test, see how well it performs. Ooh, that's pretty cool looking. I like that. Talk about lightweight, oh my word. I mean, this feels like a piece of paper almost. So that's what it looks like. The bottom, there is the top. Wow. So you can do the bottom. So wow, that's actually a pretty cool little remote. Look at that. It's like a legit remote. So you have two buttons, left and right. So you have different speed modes, which is on the left side button. You have 360 on the right. You have tons of different features. I mean, wow, this is really packed of a lot of features. You got 3 batteries. I love them. Little miniature batteries. So you just slide the battery in place, lock it in place. And the power button is on the very top for the drone. So guys, yes, it does take 3 AAA batteries. So keep that in mind. You will need AAA batteries. So what you do is you press the power button and you hold it. Ooh, that is cool. Check this out, guys. I'll show you guys in the dark. And then you press and hold the power button on the remote. Whoa, that's cool. So you press down and up on the remote with both. Whoa. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are flying it in a very close area. Not bad, it's got good remote control. Very nice in just a small little area. So guys, to make it easier to see, we're going to fly it inside a little bit, but the color is really awesome. Like in person, it's way, way nicer than you guys can actually see. So yeah, we're going to... So this is actually really, really easy to fly inside. I like this a lot. You have a few different modes. Look at that, we can even do flips inside here. This is a lot of fun. I mean, seriously guys, this is really cool. And we're gonna actually test bouncing it off something here. So let's bounce it off. Because it's rounded, so therefore it's protected, so let's bounce it off. Boom, look at that. Look at this, guys. You can bounce it off stuff and not worry about damaging the blades. See? Is this not cool or what? Wow. Alright guys, so final results on this. So here's the thing. When the battery starts getting low, this blinks, but in the daytime it's very, very hard to see that. So basically you only have one sign. My remote didn't beep or anything, and when the battery got low, it started flying very weird. Like the control was delayed. If I'd go left, it would take a second, then go left, and then it would go left for a little bit until even if I went the other way. So as soon as it starts flying weird, just bring it close to you. Make sure your battery is fully charged up. That way you got plenty of runtime. overall, this is definitely one of my most favorite mini drones, which is crazy because I wasn't expecting it from this thing. This is a lot of fun. Definitely in my top 10 mini drones. Yeah, I really like this a lot. Definitely a lot of fun for even adults, kids, teens, adults. Definitely gonna love them.